ತರ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಪನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಸರಿ ಸರಿ.
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಅದೇ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ,
ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
We are going from Karnataka to Kerala, and near the border they have stopped us. We cannot enter because the borders are closed. So hello and welcome back to another video on my channel. Today we are going on a very small trip. Right now it is 12 AM in the night. We are thinking of spending some time here. This place is called as Melton Cafe. It's on the Mysore Road. It will take around 6 to 7 hours to reach the place that we want to go. So we thought of spending some 2 hours over here. We leave around 2 to 2:30 so that we'll reach our place around 8 to 9. There is a reserve forest we'll be crossing. Cannot pass through the reserve forest before 6 o'clock. So that's why we thought we'll spend some time here. Awesome. And currently I am with Pawan here.
Hello.
And as usual Prasad. It's going to be a complete night journey. We are taking it very slow. No hurries. It's going to be a relaxed trip. Nothing to, no time to keep. Okay, so I think we'll leave now. The time is 2:38. Yeah, 2:38 in the morning. It's showing 5 hours to the place where we want to go. Okay, now we've covered around 100 to 150 kilometers, right? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Kilometer. So actually we took a small break. We slept for 1 hour I think in between. We were feeling very sleepy, all three of us. So we had put our car to the side, slept for some time. Pawan, what's your name? Fresh agidya?
Oh, of course, ready to go.
Inna 200, 300, 400 kilometers drive ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ?
ನೋಡೋಣ, ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಜಿಮೋನ್,
ನಾನು ಕಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ಈ ತರ ವೆದರ್ ನಾವು ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ನಾನು ಕಡೆ ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಸಿಲು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Visibility is getting so poor that all three of us are looking at the road only. If at all he misses something, hey, allide adu anta ಹೇಳೋದು.
ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಹೋಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಮಾಡ್ದ ತಾನೆ, ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬರ್ತಾನ ನಮ್ದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತು ಹೋಗು, ಯಾರು ಬರಲ್ಲ.
The reason that we've stopped now is Prasad has gone for a susu break, but he's made us promise that we won't show him. So I have to live up to my promise. So just understand that he's doing susu by the roadside and that is not allowed on camera.
ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ದವನು.
ಯಾರು ನೋಡಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗೋ ಅವ್ರದೇ ಅವ್ರಿಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ.
ತರ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್
ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಪನ್ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಸರಿ ಸರಿ,
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಅದೇ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ,
ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ.
Okay, so now we've reached the Kerala and Karnataka border over there. So what has happened here is, because of the new rise in cases in Kerala, the Karnataka government has closed the borders to Kerala. So what they're saying is, we can pass through here, but if we have to come back, we'll have to have a COVID test report which comes within 72 hours to enter back to Karnataka. The problem is, we just have 48 hours because Monday we all have to return to work. So that is not an option for us. So right now we are actually kind of stuck because we already had our booking over there. So I just now called the resort people. So see, we have two options. First option, we have to call Make My Trip, and after calling Make My Trip and telling and explaining about the situation, they will call the resort guy. Okay, and after the resort guy confirms, they will refund some money. If they don't refund, if they don't agree for that, second option is, he has given us a postponed date. We can go there and stay for these 2 days any other time in the year.
throughout the year.
So first option, second option, we will first call Make My Trip and then we'll see what happens.
Welcome to Make My Trip. Dear customer, for an effortless and fast resolution, we encourage you.
I have a booking in Kubankolli Heritage Resort today. Yeah, the borders are closed. So what happened? I had called the resort guy. So he told me to reach out to you guys. So we are not able to enter Kerala here. We are going from Karnataka to Kerala, and near the border they've stopped us. We cannot enter because the borders are closed. So is it possible to have a refund for this? Yes, 26th was check-in and 28th was check-out. On hold. She told she will call the resort guy and then confirm. Okay, so it will be a full refund, right? Okay, and it is within 3 working days, right? That's what you said. No, nothing else. This was of great help. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Thanks to Make My Trip. Let's see.
Yeah, thanks a lot. Yeah, bye.
Thanks to them, we are not getting a COVID test.
The cancellation has been done with full refund. That is one very good thing. Yes. Okay, so what we have to do now is search for a place in Coorg
Or somewhere near.
Hello, Gana.
We'll figure it out on the way.
Okay. Very good response time from Make My Trip. I've already got the initiation of refund message.
ಕೂರ್ಗ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ವಲ್ರೋ. ಏನ್ರೋ ಇದು ಕೂಬಲ್ಕುಲ್ಲಿ
We now moved to Coorg and managed to get a decent place to stay. Click on this video to check out the place that we stayed in. And before doing so, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and also ensure you subscribe to my channel for more travel videos. Thank you for watching.